I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you.
A creepy man shows up at a woman's door during the early hours of the sounds day, possibly morning or evening. His intentions are disturbing from the start. He repeatedly tries to speak to the woman inside, but she never responds.
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? What? Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell.
Hey, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about making sure.
As he begins to walk away, he hears a sound from inside the house, and what he says next is completely unacceptable.
Yeah, can you hear me? What I'm looking for is the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to put her in Canada. You have her open the door? The girl that's on the other side of this door when she lets me in. And I'm going to knock on her door again.
You can clearly hear the creep and his intentions. This video is genuinely horrifying. I am 100% sure this video can give anyone a sleepless night. In this video, a woman comes to an apartment carrying a knife. Just by her appearance and the way she dresses, she feels extremely unsettling. At first, she tries to open the apartment door, but when she fails, she checks the doormat in front of the door. Her behavior is weird, unnatural, and deeply uncomfortable to watch. This video alone is enough to give anyone chills. You really need to lock your doors. At around 5 a.m., a woman is home alone when a strange man rings her doorbell.
Yeah. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door.
His speech is unclear. He appears to have a lisp, but his behavior is what makes this unsettling.
I love you. Open, unlock the door.
Keeps repeating, "Open the door," struggling to pronounce the words, growing more frustrated each time. The woman never responds.
Why won't you answer?
His tone changes. His body language becomes aggressive. It's clear he's desperate to get inside. The longer he stays at the door, the creepier it gets.
You can go here right now. I'm getting angry.
This doesn't feel like confusion. It feels like intent. At around 4:16 a.m., a strange woman walks straight to the house of a person named Della Dowson. After that, she starts looking inside the glass door and does this. You can see the disturbing behavior from this creepy woman. In this video, a creepy lady comes to the doorbell. Her behavior looks really strange, and she keeps saying, "Can I come in?"
No. I really do this. As we see, I don't know, go to the damn human, but the what? Then I'm wait a minute.
Take a look. After that, the man replies, "No, you can't."
I don't know who he is. I'll come in.
You can't come here.
Please, I mean, even if I don't. Oh, okay. Son.
Then she makes a comment, saying she wants him to put his wrist against the wall.
Oh. I'm really okay. I'm just breathing outside. A little bit does. Time to leave. Alright, I just been in prison, Karen. But anyway, y'all have to be nice. See you later, and bye.
After that, she walks away. At night, a mother and her son return to their home. What happens next shows how a difference of just 1 second can change everything.
Go shower really fast. I need you to go shower. Please, Daniel. Who's that?
As they enter and lock the door, a strange man follows them. Seconds later, he tries to open the same door, but it's already locked. He stands there, staring at it in silence. Then, after a few unsettling moments, he
Who
slowly
is that?
walks
Get
away.
out of here! Get out of here! There's a guy outside. Look.